Hi, I'm Judy Seegar. I'm a naturopath that came up here from Florida for the training HRS with Dr. Dennis Harper and his lovely wife Shirley. Had a great time. Love these guys. Got trained on learning how the whole IVs work and actually had it done, which was quite exciting to learn, and got all the details on it. What was very interesting was finding out how our body reacted and how it felt as we were going through it, so that of course we could help our patients as we go through this. To learn how to do the IV shots is very important no matter what kind of practitioner you are, and Dr. Dennis certainly showed us by example with his patients and actually going through the system and feeling the difference. So I had a number of issues going on from my shoulder to my hip, which I didn't know, and all the way down to my knee from an injury. And as I got the IVs done and the shots done and all the process of the HRS system, found that definitely had reactions, and all good, all noticeable improvement, which is always exciting, because when we see it as practitioners, we could of course relate to our patients and help them and walk them through it. So that was very exciting. And of course, got to give a lot of credit to Shirley to walk us through the process and get to understanding what supplies and equipment and all those little details that we don't normally think about. She's got it down super simple, got all the consent forms that makes it easy when you go back. So altogether, it was a great experience, and I really appreciated being able to go through and learning all of that. And I brought my team along, my stellar nurse, who also went through the process, and she's going to share what her experience was.
Hi, my name's Olivia Alexander, and I'm a registered nurse. I came to do the training, and I thought it was phenomenal. I'm obviously not a speaker like her. But it was very good. We had learned a wealth of information and technique, which is really the most important part that I came away with, was the technique. We had all our questions answered. We enjoyed the stay greatly, and the training couldn't be replaced in any other way.